Calculating in chess is a crucial skill that involves envisioning future moves and evaluating positions. Here's a concise guide. Visualization. Mentally visualize the current position and the potential moves. Imagine the board several moves ahead. Candidate moves. Identify all possible moves for both you and your opponent in the current position. This includes moves for each piece on the board. Tactics and threats. Look for tactical opportunities like pins, forks, skewers, and discovered attacks. Assess threats to your pieces and your opponent's pieces. Calculating variations. Choose a candidate move to explore in depth. Calculate a series of variations, considering your opponent's responses. This involves mentally moving the pieces and assessing resulting positions. Material and positional evaluation. Assess the resulting positions after each move. Consider factors like material balance, king safety, pawn structure, and piece activity. Planning. Develop a plan based on your calculations. Decide which move is strategically the best, not just tactically. Time management. Be mindful of your clock time. Don't spend excessive time on one move and save more time for critical positions. Endgame awareness. As the game progresses, calculate endgame scenarios, especially when the board clears of pieces. Know basic endgame techniques and concepts. Practice. Practice is essential to improve your calculation skills. Analyze your games, play regularly, and solve tactical puzzles. Stay calm. Maintain composure, especially in time pressure situations. Overthinking or panicking can lead to blunders. Learn from mistakes. Analyze your games, especially the ones you lose due to calculation errors. Identify your weaknesses and work on them.